it's Mike here from Supreme Gadgets. Hope you're all having a great day. Now today we're going to have a look at this executive toy gadget. We got it from Amazon and it actually has a levitating globe in the middle of this surround here. So it's quite interesting, it's quite a bit of fun. Plus it's got LEDs as well as all the new features of these things have. So let's have a look in the box. So first of all, in the box you've got a bit of packaging, so we'll just get rid of that, chuck that to one side. You've got the instructions which tell you how to set it all up, and we'll do that as we're going through the video. And we've got the globe itself, which is a nice size, as you can see there, and whoops, just goes rolling off, and the stand there. And the stand, I don't know if you can see there, the stand actually has a power supply just there, and the power supply is in there. I have removed the power supply, so what we will do is we'll get it plugged in and set up. And here's the power supply. It is really short though, that is the only problem. So I'm just going to get that plugged in and then we'll have a look at how we get it all set up. So this just goes into the slot there. And immediately, as you can see, it's got all the LEDs there. And then what we do is we get the globe like that. And as we put it in and near the top, as you can see, it jumps straight up. So we don't want it to do that. So to get it to levitate, what we do is we put our thumb on top of the globe there. It is a bit tricky. You feel it kind of pulling, and there we go. It is now levitating, and it's all down to magnets. And if we very carefully, we can get the globe to spin, and it does kind of settle down a bit, and it keeps spinning for quite some time. Alright, as soon as you turn the power off though, it does then drop. So there you go. That is the levitating globe and stand. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all again next time.